Q100.
I'm Rocky Moselle with StarRegistry.com. 33 or visit Star.com. We will name a city 3333 or visit StarRegistry.com for the hottest gift. Hey, we love Burger King Holiday of the Year, National Hot Dog Day. Celebrate by going to Burger King.
We're driving into it, but we're there, so
Got you having financial woes? Then call Loan Central. Loan Central makes loans for school expenses, car loans, ATV loans.
Definitely
Almost any need you can think of. So pick a
and you're gonna see other cute dogs and puppies. So we're there. It's pretty sunny out, so I'll show you. So we're there.
Kids.
And I'll show you more of the puppies. It's really fun.
Get my stomach
So
hanging
we'll
out.
show you the part of our dog. So now we're going back. We're going back, and there she is. See, he's hidden. Can you see her? No, they can really see your tail. Yay, Chloe. Yeah, I'll show you when we get home, so. Pretty cool if the Chloe the world see the Chloe! Oh, yeah. Chloe, you know the little girl? Hey, Chloe, she just got moving on. Now you got Chloe a little bit. Hey, I'm Kaden. Chloe. And I'm James. And if you see this video, please tell all of your friends because we want a bunch of likes and views. Hey, so we're in the car still, driving home. Hey, Chloe. Hey, Chloe. Can I see you? Can I see you? Daddy's long. What? Daddy's long. Yeah, now from Chloe's face. Yeah, that's her. That's our cutest dog ever. Our only dog right now. No, only dog. We did have more, but. So, there's James. He's petting Chloe right now, if you can see her. I don't know if you played well. You saw her face. So now we're with home. Dad, Chloe was singing it. What's she doing? Get down. That's her. She's cute. So guys, we're in this home, and when we get inside, I'll start vlogging. So, we're about to get home, so we have to be in our driveway, and when we get home, I will show you our doggy and more, so she's so cute. Look at the camera. Well, yeah. And so,
That bug was not dead. It was alive.
it
Jumped out and got
pitched
my leg.
back, so now we're home, and I just dropped it, so that's why the camera hurt. But do we? And here's Chloe. Come here, Chloe. Where'd you go? She ran away, so now I'm gonna feed her a treat. So
Did you see Chloe?
tell all of your friends about our video, and please, we need at least 10. Well, yeah, we need at least 10 likes and 10 subscribes. Every time you subscribe us, we're gonna you'll be one of our coins in our piggy bank. Because we have we call it piggy banks. Sorry about that. I'm walking. Alright. And it's a jumbo push piggy bank. Little piggy. Let me check this. So you guys can see it. Alright. Well, you can see that. See it? And it's like a stuffed animal, but you can lay on it or anything. And it has a piggy bank. So I'm probably going to use quarters, and every time you subscribe us, we will put a quarter inside. We need at least, well, we need 1,000 to fill this up. But when we get 1,000, that'd be amazing. So, there's Andrea. Hi. So, well, now we're going to do the question of the day, and it's, what's your type of dog? Yeah.
That you have.
If you have a dog. And
If you have a cat, what kind of cat? If you don't have anything, well, I don't know.
Alright, so,
Comment down, if you don't have any of them, comment down below your favorite
animal. Alright, so,
Mine is not what our dog is. That our dog is a Shih Tzu, but my favorite are pugs. They're so cute.
alright, so, let's go find out James's. James, James,
I was sitting here
the
before.
question of the day is, what's your favorite,
Dog.
dog?
What's your favorite dog?
What's your favorite type of dog? Say it. Alright, well, I guess he doesn't have one. So, we're doing highs and lows. And my high is that our dog Chloe got a haircut. And my low, I don't have one.
Well, I call it my favorite part of the day. My favorite part of the day is when we saw Chloe, and she was so cute, and she has a little band-aid around her and enough. And I liked it when we got home, and I liked it when we were in the car with her. She was trying to run around. So, bye.
What about you?
On piggy bank coin. When we get this thing filled all the way up, that means we hit 1K probably. Or maybe a million. But we're not there.
We have none right now because it's our first video.
Okay, ready guys? 1, 2, 3, bye.